Back with us again, my mom, Diane Hunter, and we are going to talk about those Callaways, how much we love them, how fantastic their website, and everything they do.
Absolutely.
They are really amazing.
They are amazing, and they have some amazing listings, one of which I have right now.
All right, let's hear it.
It's located in spectacular Layton Lakes in Scottsdale.
Nice.
And it's a home you will not want to miss, I'll tell you. It's lovely lakes, gorgeous greenbelts, a corner property, and a gated courtyard entry. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 3-car garage, almost 3,000 square feet of living area.
Wow.
And it's constructed in 2014, and it looks just like new.
Oh, yeah.
Besides the comfy, cozy main home, there's also a full private guest suite. So nice that your guests may never want to leave. Let me tell you, you have to think about that one, right? The kitchen.
Depends on the guest, yes.
It is, that's right. The kitchen is a gourmet culinary delight with GE Monogram stainless appliances, glistening slab granites, and chic wood look porcelain tile. You'll also love the family room. I mean, it's fantastic. And the master suite has 10-foot ceilings, walk-in closet with custom shelving, and a wonderful soak tub. The entertainer's yard is perfect with a built-in barbecue, covered conversation patio, and dining Ramada. And lots of community amenities in Layton Lakes. It's really a
Sounds
wonderful
gorgeous.
area. Priced at $625,000.
Really?
Yeah, nice
Well, that's
value.
a great deal.
It is.
All right, well, people definitely need to go check this one out or go to those Callaways and find something else if they don't want this one.
I agree.
Thanks.